Guys, girls, how you doing? Welcome back to me, Jeff Baker underscore adventures. And this one's about making Jamaican dumplings. Can you believe that? So first of all, we're going to get the stuff that you need, the ingredients that we need. This is the flour that you see me handling now. It's plain flour, right? It's not the sorry, yeah, it's plain flour. It's not the self-raising flour, because in Scandinavia you cannot get like, I'm in Oslo, right? So, but in Scandinavia you cannot get self-raising flour. This is the one that you really need. So with the plain flour, as you can see, we're going to be adding powder, baking powder, which is what I'm getting now. I got a couple of them, so I'm just looking and seeing which one I want to use. So we're going to use the one with the red cover. So it's baking powder, right? You see baking powder, and that's we're going to add that to the plain flour, right? And a bit of that to the plain flour, and then we need some water, and just not too much. Just you have to feel it out, and because you want to get it to be solid. And so, people, I want to say thanks for dropping by, checking out my channel. If it's your first time, please leave a share, a like, and subscribe. And of course, do leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Okay, so, and I want to remind you that don't forget we're doing this Jamaican thing, right? Where we're going to learn patois, Jamaican, which is what we call it. It's English, broken English. That's what we speak in Jamaica, the locals. So we had a couple of them. We had you see me, which meant you understand what's going on, you understand? And then we also had wagwan, which meant what's going on, what's happening. Okay, so don't forget that, you see me, and wagwan. But later on down the line, I'm going to give you some more lyrics, Jamaican twang. Okay, guys. So you see, it takes a little bit of time, and you can see me kneading the flour. We call it kneading. I don't know what the proper word is, but you know what I mean. Like trying to mix it together so it becomes one with the powder with the flour. And so it takes a little bit of time. Got to be a little bit patient. Patient is the virtue of all great men. That's what they say, right? So if it's your first time on the channel, I want to ask you to subscribe, leave a comment, okay, leave a like, let me know what you think, okay, just drop it in the comment section, what you think. So we're kneading the flour and the powder together. Hope you're doing good. It's Friday night. It's the weekend. Thank God it's the weekend. People, you're tuning to Jeff Baker underscore adventures. Okay, and I'm happy to see you, and keep tuning in. And if it's not coming together the right way, then add a bit more water, and then it should be okay. And then keep on blending, or kneading it together. Yeah. It's always better to add not enough water than to add too much water. Okay? Remember that, guys. Just to let you know what's happening here, because as you can see, I just got some more flour, plain flour, to add into the bowl, because adding the water I added too much water, and so then you have to balance it back down with some flour. So we've added some flour, and it seems to be coming together pretty good. It seems to be blending and mixing the way it should. Add a bit of salt. Yeah, and you see when it sticks to your fingers like that? That means that there's not enough flour, right? So normally you have to add a little bit more flour. So it's all about finding the right balance. But I've got away with it here. But normally you have to add a little bit more flour, so then so that it can blend properly. Yes, now we're ready to develop it into a dumpling. So you twirl it around like that. I don't know the word for it, but you shuffle it around like what I'm doing. Bearing in mind that you want it to be kind of oval kind of a shape, roundish oval kind of a shape. That's one. And then the oil goes into the frying pan. But I need to tell you that you need to know that if you want your dumplings to come out the golden brown color, you need to cover them, put enough oil that covers the dumpling, right? You have to, so it covers the dumpling, not like in the frying pan, because if you put it in the frying pan, you're only going to brown the sides that's frying. But then if you want it to be brown, you have to either turn it on the sides when the flat part is done, to get it to get all the sides to be brown. You have to, but if you put it into the frying pan full of oil and it covers the dumplings, then when it's finished, it will be a golden brown color, which is much more authentic. But I will show you this. I'll show you this because it is a dumpling anyway, and it has the same taste. So as long as it's cooked, as long as it's fried properly. So and then you're gonna get a lot of flour left on your hand. Just wash it off, and you're back in line. Okay guys, hope you're good, hope you enjoyed the video. Just going to give you another Jamaican phrase now before we go. And this one goes like this: where you are going with. Okay? Where you are going with. That means, translated into English, is what are you up to? You know, what are you doing? You know? So say where you are going with. Okay? So that's another Jamaican phrase for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, if it's your first time, please leave a like, share, and of course, please subscribe. Leave a message or a comment. Let me know what you think. Hope you have a great weekend. Talk to you in the next one. Stay cool. Peace. See you guys. Take care. Peace. Bye for now.